I'm about to do two super simple things to transform this kitchen cupboard. I'm Rachel Papworth from Green and Tidy, the online professional organiser. I liberate busy people like you from the shackles of clutter and chaos for peace of mind and productivity, because when your home works, your life works. I'm in the middle of making a new video course, which is going to be all about clever storage solutions that you can use in all the different rooms in your home to make best advantage of the space that you've got. And one of the things that I love about making video courses is whatever area I'm concentrating on for a course, I end up improving the way it's organised in my own home. So I was just looking online at storage solutions for these stupid lids that, for Tupperware and food storage boxes that we always have. There's usually loads more of these actually. I wanted to demonstrate this, there's only a few here, and that's because the majority of them right now are in my freezer, but often I have quite a lot more of those, and they're a pain in the neck, and they're all different shapes and sizes, and they fall out and you end up rummaging through them. And then it occurred to me that I'm going to be replacing my drainage rack on my draining board where I do the washing up, where I wash the dishes soon, because it's old and it's falling apart. But it comes apart and it has this component to it, the bit that you stand the plates up in. And I thought that could be perfect. So I came down to test it out. It was perfect. I've already tested it. So I can go in here, and then I can stand each of these lids up in it. How brilliant is this? Except then I come to this one, and this one is too tall. It can go this way, but it's going to take up quite a lot of space in the cupboard and might kind of be a bit loose in the rack. It needs to be this way up, but it's too tall for this shelf. And then it occurred to me that there's this in here too, which is also too tall for the shelf. I always have lying down the back, again taking up rather a lot of space. And then it occurred to me that these shelves are adjustable, but I just never do adjust them. And what's on here, there's plenty of space at the top. When did you last adjust a shelf in your cupboard? You know, we set them up when the cupboards are installed, and we think really carefully about the height of the things that need to go in there, and then it changes over time. We never adjust it. I'm about to adjust this shelf. Back with you in a minute. Okay, I need a screwdriver. Just gonna get one. Of course, then I noticed that the side of the cupboard where the shelf's been sitting needs a wipe down, so I'm going to do that next. Honestly, that took 5 minutes. And now this can stand up. And this can stand up. Which has freed up loads of space in that cupboard for when I get those tubs out of the freezer. Now I'm going to put everything back up here. And everything still fits just fine. I'm so chuffed with that. If that's helpful to you, please give the video a like, and I'll put a link below this video for you to subscribe to get my free video course, The 7 Biggest Clutter Clearing Mistakes and How to Avoid Them. See you in another video.